it's Tim Cone. Kailangan magtiwala siya kay KQ at kay Carl. Dahil naniniwala ko sa dalawang ito na kaya nilang
Okay.
buhatin ang Gilas at tulungan si JB.
Wow, that's a big word, buhatin. These two young
Oo,
dude, while I will tell you this, I like these two players. But tell me this, who is Tim Cone gonna sacrifice over these players? Eh, may mga veterano siya na dapat niyang palaruin. So you mean Chris Newsome, CJ Perez, the Dwight Ramos? O mas
actually
AJ Edu? Yan ang
si
mga
AJ
kasama
Edu,
niya sa ano eh.
hindi, ito si AJ Edu, ang pinaka-question na lang dito ay, can he become dominant just like what he did in the World Cup? Kasi yun